This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about citrus squeezers, specifically these Metlux lemon and lime squeezers. We have the green aluminum lime juice squeezer. It's 8 3/4 inches in length. And then we also have the green aluminum lemon juice squeezer, which is 9 inches in length. And you'll see you get a different bowl size on the lime and the lemon. That lemon one is much larger and can accommodate larger fruit. They feature a hinged construction with sturdy handles and that great interlocking design. You can see you got a nice textured insert there to really kind of grip onto that fruit and press into it, and those great holes at the bottom to allow your juice to drain. And it's easy to just pop them in there, close and squeeze, and get that fresh juice. It's going to make quick work of juicing a variety of different types of citrus, and it's a perfect tool for any restaurant or bar, or even to use at home.